The underlying philosophy of humanity's movement towards a data-driven world is that everything is quantifiable. We have to-the-minute values of every commodity you can think of. The prices of shares and companies are determined by electronic minds carrying out millions of transactions per second. And in this latest chapter of man's search for meaning, humans are quantifiable too. YouTube, for example, determines the monetary value of your attention based on your geographical location, among other things. Your diet, complexion, and drinking habits make you more or less desirable on matrimonial websites. But geographical location and habits are just proxies. They do not define your value in any meaningful way. So, is there a way to determine what you're really worth? There are different kinds of analyses on this kind of thing. The first is simply the bill of materials. How much each element that makes you up would cost. This process is relatively straightforward. You break the human body down into its base elements and calculate their cost. Since most of you is water, hydrogen and oxygen are the most abundant elements in your body. Unfortunately, they're really abundant out in the world too, so you won't get a great price. I'd suggest holding for now. Some trends suggest the values may go up in the future. But potassium, it'll fetch you over $100. And rubidium, there's not much of it, but it's doing some pretty heavy lifting. There's a bit of gold, but not really enough to add value. All told, you're a little under $160, or about 10,000 rupees. Your parents could probably exchange you for a 2005 Hero Passion Plus. And let's be honest, they probably wish they could. But wait, don't go rushing off to atomize yourself just as yet. I have a feeling we might do better by selling off individual parts rather than breaking everything down into its atomic constituents. This macabre article by Wired will help you negotiate the best deal possible in the red market. Got a healthy liver? You can sell off a chunk of it to finance your new home. Got 2 healthy kidneys? Don't need both of them. One will do just fine. The other can go towards a base model Mac Pro. If you're a woman, you can donate your eggs for IVF, 50,000 a pop. If you're ready to give up drinking, smoking, and weed, then you can earn 10 lakhs in 9 months for successfully carrying someone's baby. Not in India though. Only altruistic surrogacy is allowed here since 2019. So you'll need to go to some relatively poor European nation to avail this offer. Selling your corneas will help you put together a budget to furnish your new home. And if you've got gorgeous flowing hair that you're willing to chop off, you can get enough for, say, a month's rent in Bangalore. So, just your body is enough to get you to a solidly middle-class status. Ghar, gaadi or thodi si savings. Maybe even enough to take a holiday abroad in some Instagrammable location. But you know what? I may be able to get you a better deal still. Our bodies are essentially biological factories, producing useful chemicals like insulin, plasma, growth hormone, melatonin, etc. In this 1976 article in the New York Times, Harold J. Morowitz estimated an average price per gram for a human based on the abundances of different chemicals, and after removing the weight of water, presumably soon to be acquired by Nestle. Morowitz calculated a price of $6 million for a 76 kilogram human body, or 42 crores in Indian rupees. But this article was written way back in 1976, so fast forward to today, and this figure will be closer to $28 million, or over 200 crores in INR, which is probably the best price I can get you. There are other ways to put a price on your life, but we probably won't be getting anything even approaching the current number. But congratulations! If you can find a buyer, then your disembodied soul will be in the 99.77th percentile of sentiences. If you're not quite ready to give up your corporeal self, you can obtain someone else's body for 14 lakhs or so. According to this criminology study at least. In terms of returns, it's as good an investment as you can make. And if you hunt around for deals on the dark web, you may be able to bring that price down even lower. But if you're actually contemplating this, first of all, what is wrong with you? And secondly, these dark web ads are thankfully mostly reported to be either scams or honeypots for would-be murderers. Faith in the world somewhat restored. So while this may have been an interesting thought experiment, we instinctively know that the whole premise is kind of absurd. You are not valuable for what you're made of, or the biological parts that make you function, or for your labor. That is something that only fascists, psychopaths, and MNCs believe. The process that created us stacked layers upon layers of complexity to give rise to a creature only marginally different from all the others, but with an unbounded potential that dwarfs even the giants of the cosmos. Human beings at their best are capable of marvelous wonders, of unlocking the mysteries of nature, looking upon the world and transmuting those electromagnetic impulses into works of beauty. Without humans, even the brightest ray of light could not pierce the veil of ignorance. Music, literature, and the arts are the sole domain of the human mind. And we possess something far more valuable, a sense of empathy, which drives us to care not only for our genetic lineage, but for anything in which we can see that spark of consciousness. There may be several answers to the question, how much is a human life worth? But to end, I'll quote this anonymous Redditor right at the bottom of the page. To me, my life is worth the entire universe, because that's what I stand to lose if I die. Profound words from Mr. Deleted. I hope if it's one thing that you take away from today's video, it's that you're valuable and you matter. So take care of yourself. Put on a nice face mask, kick back, and do some mindfulness meditation. Okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, and start a conversation below to get more videos like this in your recommendation. I'll see you really soon. Bye.